not the tree this time.
Not the tree this time, Jessica. No. Just a bit of rover arm in a minute, okay?
Do you want me to get it in the tree? Is it what's your eyes? That was rude. They took the maggot. Oh, Fisher! I have some tap water. No, it's not vodka. My job is here. My job is plating this here. Basically, I'm throwing maggots in. Ooh, that was a good one. Huh?
Definitely little fish there, isn't
Oh. So Daddy had a fish and then...
I didn't have fish. Oh well. Onwards. Oh, maggot. Do you want to try some corn?
Corn? Let's go corn. Not too shabby.
That's for the fish, that sweet corn.
Oh well. Daddy's got one. Tiddler? We've got a tiddler. Whoa! Daddy's got it! Day on camera. Do you want me to get that hot pink thing?
Yeah.
Oh, poor thing didn't get his food. Bye, fishy. And there we go. First catch of the day and on camera. High five, Daddy. It took us like 4.5 hours, almost 5 hours to catch a fish. We were going for one like that big, but oh well. So I don't know if you know, but I actually compete all around the world.
Do you?
Yeah.
You're a professional.
Absolutely.
You do it full or third, yeah? What do you reckon?
Could have gone a bit further, you know. Like, you know, in the National League last Sunday, it like went to the other side of the lake.
National League?
Yeah, you know. Absolutely drenched. At least we caught a fish though.